Four friends met each other after a few years. They were happy after meeting. They were telling about their children one by one. First friend said his son became CEO in the company. He gifted a Mercedes car to his friend on his birthday. Second friend said his son became big businessman. He gifted a private jet to his friend on his birthday. Third friend said, my son became big engineer and he gifted 2 crore rupees house to his friend on his birthday. The fourth friend was silent and was listening silently. To all three said, now you tell us. Fourth friend said, my son is dancer. He dances in wedding and he earns some money. Three friends said to fourth friend, you tell very ashamed to tell us this. This isn't it? Fourth friend said, I feel proud. Last week on his birthday, his three friends gifted him Mercedes car, 2 crore rupees house and a private jet.